So what you can also easily do in Kimi is generate out charts as needed. So to do that over here in Kimi, I'm simply going to go ahead and say generate an inflation rate chart for US dollar for the past 10 years. And I'm going to say generate this as HTML. So you need to go ahead and then say this chart for US dollar right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and then send this, then what happens is that it'll actually analyze out the data right here. And then I said HTML, so it says below is an HTML code snippet that generates a simple inflation right here, just like this. So it took the source as well and then got the information and is now generating this out. So you can see that it is generating the information right here. And if I were to preview this, then this is what you have. So there's the US inflation chart, which is not previewing quite correctly, but now it is. And you can see that this is the interactive inflation chart right here, just like this, which has been generated. And that is how you can generate out charts using Kimi as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.